Good afternoon, everyone. We're here at Corfacan, Calba, Sharjah boundary. Pero sabi nila,
Bigin sa doon ay cash.
ay, wala na ako cash.
Card ra. Wala. Ay, meron si Titana. Uy, yung ano ba tong buhok ko?
Balik na lang.
Ulit, take
Ulit.
two.
Take two. Kalba pala, sige. Balik mo. Delete mo yan.
Okay lang yan, bro.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're here at...
Pati yun, lang, uy.
Ang ganda ko dyan. Ay, may ads.
May ads.
We're here at Calba Lake.
Yes.
Calba Lake. Family bonding because it's Easter Sunday.
Wala na ako kabaon sa akong isulti. Pero ara. Ti Marge, anong masasabi mo?
Refreshing.
Refreshing daw. Sobrang ano dito, nakakaitim. Char! Ito, tikim.
Nakaano ng...
Bag. Velvet.
Pwede ba dito? Tayo naman dito.
Hello guys, dito cut. Sa Corfacan. Dito kami sa Calba Lake. Look, nice view. Punta na kayo dito kasi may bayad lang sa parking. Maganda kasi yung view, parang nandoon ka sa Europe.
Mainit pa, hindi.
Hindi. Mahangin sa labas.
Auntie, hotel yan.
So, naghahanap kami ng AFAM dito. Charot.
If you visit Fujairah, pumunta kayo dito sa Calba kasi may maraming spot dito na mapupuntahan nyo for family bonding, picnic, you know.
Pero parang kami lang yung tao dito.
Alam mo naman yung
Kami lang yung tao.
the hospitality we have.
Is very hospitalized.
Correct. Hospitality is hospitalization.
Yes.
Yes.
Ano yung mga cravings mo so far this weekend?
For today's craving is the bilo-bilo.
Bilo-bilo.
Yes.
Anong
And
cravings mo, Timarch? Maasim.
Yes, paasim, mangga.
SMS ka?
SMS.
ito, meron.
Set up na. Uy, mahangin man. Lagyan natin ng bato. Wala na. Ay, yung mga pagkain.
Ano ba yung mga dalawang, ano ba? Yung bote na nahulog?
O, ano nakuha na?
Ay, may space. Ay. Oh. Picnic ng mga person. Saan tayo iihi ngayon?
Kaya nga yun yung ano ko.
Diyan na lang. Char.
Wala open eh.
Basing dun.
Bumitaw na yung kungan ang magpiknik dyan na lang nagyot tayo dool at CR asa ka ng CR ani naglayo ka tawi para diha ka kuan. Mamaya na natin kain muna tayo pag naihi na tayo.
Dapat kung naihi ang isa, iihi ang lahat. At isidok na nun ko.
Brother, where is toilet here, brother? Toilet. Hamam.
Toilet.
Okay, bye.
Okay, go on, brother.
Kasaan mo tayo?
Ngaon, mangain mo na, mangain. Arete Kim. Mangain mo na tayo.
Okay, Lord. Okay.
Go laban mga ma'am.
Salamat galing sila sa amin kasi tinutulungan namin sila.
Ngon.
I-introduce imong self.
Ay, biodata? CB? Oh, wag na. Basta mga...
Spray na lang, nag-unsa ta.
Hi guys, we're here in Calba Lake.
spending time for the, ano to?
Easter.
Easter Sunday.
Easter, silingan isip.
Ang sakit ng ano ko. Tissue. Hoy, mayroong,
Mga o na may mga ma'am.
mayroong, yan, Carl.
Nagubot. Nagubot. English yun. English.
Kaya nga nilagyan nila, ito, kaning mga burgi-burgi, ito, lagyan naman nila ng mga. Oo nga, tama din naman. May point.
Tama, tama. Order of the court. Nga o na. Oh, pork tapos dinuguan.
Be, pahingi ng ano, Ben, yung ano natin, Be. Yan. Para hindi na tayo mag, ano, di ba, ang ganda, oh. Hindi na tayo mag kutsa-kutsara pa.
Bihingi ako be. Pang 6 footer mo oy. Pang 6 footer.
Okay lang para comfortable pa.
Oh.
Saan ba si Insan? Insan.
Nananawagan.
Nanawagan si Insan. Nag-graduate ka na. O, doon sa inyo sa.
Yay.
Ang kanin, o sa inyo po. Yung ano, kami diyan.
Yung ano tikim. Timarch, panghatag pa Timarch be.
Hoy,
Gloves Timarch ba?
ito yung lugaw. Saan yung
Thank
lugaw
you.
yan? Ha, may lugaw dito. Wala ang tayong lugaw.
Tikman niyo muna.
Hoy, pag-uwi natin. Punta kayo doon sa jail. Saan? Atay, oy, wag
Okay lang yan. Appetizer man yan. Appetizer.
Kita mo?
sa sink.
Oh, yung sink.
Saan yung ano dito? Lata, yung parang yun.
Nagkagulo oh. Nagkagulo.
Oo, ito yung
Dinuguan, ano?
Gusto ko yan yung baska.
yung baska oh. Na,
Panghatag baska Timarch. Nagibisaya na si Timarch.
baska?
Oh.
Yan.
Baska. Thanks. Tikim, paabot dinuguan tikim be?
No.
Pilang takos, ma'am?
Ilan? Ma'am.
Pilang takos? Balig gislay.
One lang.
Thanks.
Five lang ah. Magtabang lang. Thank you. Baboy. Crap.
Ayaw niyang
Kalan.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ka man nagsabi.
Ay!
Sabi ko nung mahirap yan.
Kamayin na lang natin.
Kamay na lang. Okay lang.
Hindi naman tayo, maarte.
Oh, sa pinatang kahapon. Ate, maarte ako sobra no.
So this time around, I was really annoyed because I can't let my camera stand. Even if it has like a tripod, it fell. So I just decided to hold it and then I showed you what I'm going to eat. It's pork blood. It's called dinuguan in the Philippines. And we have this crispy fried pork. We call it crispy pata. These are the usual food we eat on festivals and it's really really good. It's one of my favorites. When I see this kind of food, all I can think is that I'm home. It tastes like Philippines and it feels like Philippines. So you might be wondering why I was not uploading for a long time. So last time I uploaded 2 vlogs, which is the same with different voiceover. The reason behind that, it's because I was so busy at work. We are back to normal and it's been pretty difficult this past few months, but right now we are trying to recover. The thing is that I really want to keep on uploading every week, but sometimes I feel like no one is watching my videos, and then how should I do it? How should I make it catchy and really feasible to everyone to watch and click my videos? What is the best clickbait, this kind of things. But I almost quit. I stopped uploading, I stopped editing, I stopped recording videos. But then I realized after having like a 4 days break, I realized that it's really like that. It's like I saw most of the podcasts and stories of the vloggers that they usually experience this kind of thing where they uploaded and no one is watching. But me, even if I have 10 views, I'm really really happy. I'm always wondering who's watching this, who's watching that, and if someone try to leave a comment on my videos. I'm really so happy, and as much as possible I try to reply on their comments. Though there are other comments that I noticed that it doesn't relate my videos, but I guess it's for that they are leaving a comments for just, you know, to get along with some vloggers, but it's okay, at least they commented. But right now I'm not going to quit, and I thought of like, I'm not a quitter, so I will try to upload all the time. So actually I don't have contents as well, but I think I'll focus on what's really happening on my life, and then just I will also upload shorts to, you know, gain more subscribers, because I noticed that I have a lot of views on shorts, and just, you know, adding what I thought in that certain day and that certain time. So if it's relatable, of course everyone will read it and react on it. So I hope that very, 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 very soon we'll reach the time where I just, you know, I will just only rely on YouTube. I don't have to work in a corporate world. I really want that life where I will just focus on vlogging, because I really enjoy vlogging. Like, I think it's my dream job where I just have to stay at home, do contents. Usually it's so funny whenever someone asks me, what do you want to do in life? I say, I want to be a celebrity. And I also want to become a mommy vlogger, and they will laugh at me, but it's like, but it's true. It's my dream, really. Sometimes my friends ask me, what kind of videos are you watching? What kind of vlogs? And then I say, because I find it entertaining. Maybe because, you know, I came from a broken family, and I really enjoy watching this family on YouTube. I know it might be real or not, but really it really satisfied me to see them, that there's a mom, there's a dad taking care of everyone in the family. It's really important to me, and I hope that everyone will click and watch my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will try my best to upload at least one video, long video in a week, and then regularly or like every day I will upload some shorts. Thank you for watching.